everyone, it's Amber Frederick. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an infographic resume for free using Visualize Me. First, you'll have to attend the Visualize Me site. You would create a free account by signing up. You can do it by LinkedIn or email. I did it by email and I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into it. It's very simple. Okay, I've already made a pre-infographic, but I just want to go through it and show you how simple and easy it is, as well as how appealing it is to the eye. So first you would start by going here to Profile, and in your profile you can edit the data or display and hide sections. This is going to be your infographic here. It's going to update it as you update your information. So I didn't go into too much detail, but I did enter in some information. As you go, you can click on Edit to edit the information on your profile. So here I have, this is my URL. If anyone wants to visit my page, this is what they're going to type in to see. You're going to put your user information in, and then your profile summary. This is usually basically your objective, or the what's going to sell you as a person. Okay, save that, and then you exit this part, and you move on to work experience. So I just added one work experience here. You can edit it, put in your information, save. Then you can also add a new position. And you have to go through all the details and then the summary of your job title. Okay, then next is education. I put in my bachelor's. You can add a new one. Say you got your master's. Add new, put that in there. Then you want to add it. And I'm not adding, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it. And then exit out that part. Next, your links would be personal, professional, URLs. If you want to add your Facebook page, your LinkedIn profile, those types of things. You follow the same procedure. Your skills, you're able to put as many as 5 skills. I just went ahead and put in my capability of typing 40 words per minute. You follow the same procedure as you did for the other pieces of data. Exit there. Same for your interest, languages, awards, honors, and stats. Okay, and then on the right side, it's going to add everything as you save it. So you can see what your actual portfolio and stuff is going to look like. And it tells you your education, your employment, your skills, the languages you speak, your awards and honors, your stats. And I mean, isn't this so cool? It's really pretty too. It's very eye-catching. Okay, and then you can go over to the next thing. You finish your profile, go to themes. And I have the primary theme here already selected. You can choose a different one, which just gives more character as you go on to your resume. Okay, and then once you choose the theme you want, you can go to styles, and you can change your color coordination towards your styles. As well as here you can change your regular colors, or you can change your fonts that you want to use. As you see, it changed the font. Okay, and then also your background. You can upload a file, or you can choose a certain color. Okay, press save. Now once you go back to profile, you click publish. Well, when you click publish, you're going to make this infographic resume public. And so anyone could see it as long as they have the shareable link or the URL. So if you click publish, successfully publishes my infographic resume for anyone to view online, and then you can share it. And you have your URL direct link, your embedded icon if you were coding a site, or you can share to social networks. And really that's all to it. It's really great advice for anyone to use, college students, potential employees looking for a new job, anything of those that fit into those categories, even high school students that are looking for jobs rather than going to college. This is one way to sure make their profile stand out. Alrighty, well, thanks for learning about Visualize Me, and this is Amber Frederick, and again, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel.